Happening today, the murder trial of a Georgia man accused of killing a young couple 4 years ago enters day 2 now. 11 Live 7 and Chanock joins us live from the courthouse in Marietta. We heard some emotional testimony from one of the victim's parents yesterday. What do we expect today in court, Seth?
Yeah, well, Dan, we are definitely expecting even more emotional testimonies in the coming days. We know that day 2 of the trial is starting very soon at 9 a.m. this morning. We've heard that we could potentially be hearing from the parents of the man accused in the center of this murder, Matthew Lanz. We know that yesterday the first witness to take the stand was the father of one of the victims, Timothy Hicks. He was very emotional as he shared what it was like when he first came to his son's house looking for the young couple, but instead found them deceased in the living room.
I ended up going to the front door and I was banging on it very hard. And I gradually got harder and harder because I wasn't getting a response. And finally I was banging on it so hard it was actually bowing a little bit.
This is Matthew Lanz appearing in court on Monday with his attorney as both the defense and prosecution made their opening statements. We know Lanz has waived his right to a jury trial, and so his fate will be decided by a judge. Yesterday, also photos of Justin and Amber Hicks with their infant son, who was just 2 years old at the time, shown in the courtroom along with evidence from that day back in November 4 years ago. Even surveillance video showing Lanz near the Hickses' home around the time of their killing. We know that Lanz was the couple's backyard neighbor. We also knew yesterday 2 Cobb County police officers took the stand, sharing the state that they found the couple's 2-year-old son in. He was unharmed, but that he was still in his pajamas, had been wandering the home for hours alone, still in the same diaper from the day before, Dan. And so a lot more details expected to come out in this trial, and we will be following along. But again, starting very soon at 9 a.m. day 2.
Okay, so it's important to note that Lanz was a neighbor of the couple, but technically it was his parents that owned that home right behind the Hicks home, right?
Yeah, so we're learning it was the family's home and that he was actually attending UGA at the time of this crime. And so prosecutors are looking to prove that he did the killings of the 2 couple and then drove back to his dorm. And so again, Dan, we're looking forward to hearing from his parents and what they have to say about all of this.
Okay, Seth, thanks.